Neil, how does the Unity Partner Programme help increase value to customers?
So from a value perspective, clearly Unity is a door that opens up a whole lot of collateral for the partner and capabilities, but fundamentally the customer is comfortable and is aware that the partner he's working for is the top levels of accreditations and capabilities in the security market. So there's a confidence that comes from working with a Unity-based partner around the confidence that you're going to deliver on the value that you promised.